Hi everyone. In today's tutorial, we will show you how to remove the billing address from your Shopify checkout. Simplifying the checkout process makes it faster and easier for customers to complete their purchases. Let's go through how to update your settings. From your Shopify dashboard, click on Settings in the lower left corner. Once we are in Settings, click on Shipping and Delivery. Now, scroll down to the bottom of the page. Here, we will see the packing slip template. Click on that. We will be taken to a page with some code. We can preview this template. As we can see, it shows customer details. We need to remove this section. Click on the code, then press Ctrl+F on the keyboard. Search for shop, followed by an underscore. We will then delete the shop address summary section, like this. Then click Save. Let's wait for the changes to load. Once we preview the template, we can see that the billing address has been removed. And that's how we remove the billing address from your Shopify checkout. This helps improve the customer experience and reduce cart abandonment.